Right now, many people think the stock market's pretty high, fairly valued, very fully valued, many people would say. So are you nervous about that?
I don't worry about it. And in 2019, December 99 through 2008, were really difficult 8 or 9 years for the stock market. The stock market was down 30 or 40%, 3 or 4% a year for 8 or 9 years. We didn't make a lot of money in that period of time, but we didn't lose. We were up 25% over that 8 or 9 year period of time, which was really terrible for the market. And then since then, of course, we've done very well. And what I think is that, so my big picture of the world, the only thing I am certain of is, I'm sure about our economy, I'm sure about our country, but I think that the value of my money will fall in half every 17 or 18 years. That means that everything I want to buy is going to double in price every 17 or 18 years. So I regard stocks as a hedge against that depreciation of my currency. So I want to own stocks, shares of businesses that can outpace inflation. So that's my simple look. And I think that no one can predict what the market's going to do. No one can predict when it's too high or too low. And I'm just taking the what's coming at us. And when we get opportunities, when the market falls, for example, periodically, like right now, there's been this rotation out of the kind of companies that we've invested in that have done so great for the past couple of years into something that is cheaper.
Now, let me ask you, some people say that because of inflation or other things worry about the currency, you worry about the currency going down in value every 50% every 17 years or so, something like that.
Yes.
What do you think about cryptocurrencies?
That's a commodity. And so I don't invest in commodities. I don't own gold. I don't own cryptocurrency.
So you're not an investor in cryptocurrencies?
No, and I always worry if you have cryptocurrencies and they get to be real valuable, why is the government going to allow some private enterprises to have control of their currency and their economy? Right? And in 1932 or 33, Franklin Roosevelt, people were afraid of leaving their money in the banks. They took the money out of the banks and they bought gold. Then he made it illegal to own gold. You had to turn in all your gold. Why do I think that same thing couldn't happen? I'm not saying it will, but I would think there's some risk as well.